team, the Island Girl team presents 525 Fallbrook Drive, a lovely maintenance-free home on a golf course. This is an incredible opportunity to live in the golfer's paradise of Venice Golf Country Club and comes with a golf cart and 1-year home warranty policy. Whether you'll be a full-time resident or a snowbird, this home fits the bill and is the perfect cold weather getaway. As you enter this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, an open floor plan welcomes you with a light and bright interior. Notice the gorgeous travertine floors throughout the living areas and kitchen. Bring the outside in with the sliders from the living room to the extended lanai. The chef in the family will adore the well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances and walk-in pantry. Relax and unwind in the master bedroom with sliders to the extended lanai with private hot tub. The master bath features double vanities, walk-in closet, and large glass enclosed walk-in shower with bench seat. Invite friends or family to visit. With 2 extra bedrooms, there's plenty of room. Need an office or den? One of the bedrooms is set up with French doors and lovely bay window to use as desired. Entertain family and guests on the screened lanai that features electric storm shutters, beautiful golf course views, and a hot tub. Soak up the sun in your private backyard or take a dip in the neighborhood pool. Venice is a fantastic place to call home. It's so close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great: golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. Call the Island Girl team today to schedule your private showing.